Hi everyone, welcome to story time today. So, what are we going to do in story time? What is it? That's right, read a story. So, what do we do before we start a story time? We welcome everyone to the story mat. If you're Anya and you know it, clap your hands. If you're Ethan and you know it, clap your hands. If you're Josh and you know it, clap your hands. If you're Tyler and you know it, clap your hands. If you're Anya and Josh and Ethan and Tyler, if all of you clap your hands. Here you go. So see, everyone's here, including me. Now we are going to start our story. Now I'm going to show you something and you have to tell me or guess what is the story going to be about. So what is this?
Oh, it's a truck.
That's right, is a truck. But what kind of truck is it?
It's a construction truck.
It's a construction truck. So, can anyone guess what is the story about then? I don't hear you.
Is it about a construction truck?
It is about a construction truck, one of the types of construction truck. Should we start?
Yeah.
So say bye-bye, truck.
Bye-bye.
Say hello, book.
Hi, book.
Okay, so the story is called Little Excavator by Anna Dewdney. Oh, look, so nice. It's a construction site.
Ooh.
Little construction truck. Aha, so nice.
Whoa.
Here come the big rigs rolling down the street. Thumpa, thumpa, bumpa, bumpa, beep, beep, beep. Can you see little E ready on the spot? Where do we see the little E? Where do we see the little E?
Is he over there?
He is, that's right. He is the little excavator working on the lot. So see, here's the excavator working on the lot. Wham goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Rumble, rumble, crumble, crumble. Fall, fall, fall. Little E is busy. He goes bam, bam, bam. Oh, oh, little excavator, now you are in a jam. Grrr goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Push, push, shush, smush, smash, smash, smash. Little E tries lifting up some junk, junk, junk. But there goes little excavator over with the clunk. Drum goes the drum truck with a load of lug. Tunka, tunka, clunk, junk, clunka, clunka, jug, jug, jug. Little E wants to lug all day, day, day. Look out, little excavator, don't get in the way. So, what is the little excavator doing?
He is lifting up a...
Who can guess what is he doing? He is in the way of the big truck. So the big truck is saying, get out of the way.
Uh-oh.
Brump goes the backhoe, digging in the dirt. Clang, clang, bang, bang. Work, work, work. Little E is helping too. He can dig, dig, dig. Not yet, little excavator. Someday when you are big. So who's saying, Mr. Excavator, to stop? The big trucks. The big trucks are saying you can help, but you have to grow up, your little tiny little excavator. Whirr goes the tall crane, rising to the sky. Whoosh, whoosh, swoosh, swoosh, hi, hi, hi. Little E is stretching. He goes tall, tall, tall. So little excavator is trying to reach up. Me too, me too. Sorry, little excavator, you are too small. Now there's one last job and the busy day is done. But no big rig can do it, not a single one.
What is it?
Let's see. Everybody tries it and it's much too tight. See, everyone's trying it. The big drum, the big excavator, the big trucks. No one's able to do it. Who is it going to be? But can it be little E? I wonder. Fits just right.
Yay!
Good job, little excavator. Time to take a bow. There's work to do just for you here and now.
Yay!
You may be small, little E, but you will grow. You are mighty, little excavator. Go, go, go!
Yeah!
The end.
Hooray!
So what did you learn from the book today?
Can little things do big things?
That's right. No matter how little you are, you can always help and you can always be of use. See you until next time. Bye-bye.
Bye!